You wake up, check your meter and there it is again. A stubbornly high fasting number. You did the right things. Ate sensibly, took meds, tried to relax. So why the morning spike? 'Cause what happens between dinner and dawn sets the tone for your glucose the next day. Sleep quality, hydration timing, light movement, and whether you have a smart snack V-shape insulin sensitivity overnight. The good news, 5 simple nighttime habits can lower fasting glucose, smooth out swings, and help you wake up clearer, lighter, and in control. Tonight, let's fix it. 1. Check your blood sugar before bed and act on it. Your body doesn't pause at night. Hormones shift, the liver meters out glucose, and insulin sensitivity changes as you cycle through sleep stages. Without a pre-bed check, you're flying blind. If you're greater than 180 milligrams DL at bedtime, you're likely to ride high all night. Consider a 10 to 15 minute easy walk. A tall glass of water not right at lights out. And keep late snacking low in carbs and rich in protein fiber. If you're 90 milligrams per deciliter, you risk a nocturnal dip that can trigger stress hormones and a rebound morning spike. Have a small, balanced snack ideas below. If you're 90 to 150 milligrams DL, you're in a practical sleep zone for many people. Hold steady. No sugary snacks, no caffeine, no vigorous workouts late. Make this a ritual. Wash up, meter, CGM glance. Choose a micro-adjustment brief walk or a small snack, then wind down. You're not chasing numbers, you're preventing surprises to eat a smart bedtime. Snack only. If you need it, this isn't eat because it's bedtime. It's strategic insurance against drops and swings. When a snack helps, you're below 90 milligrams DL. Prone to night lows, or take insulin. Your last meal was early and very light. Your CGM trends downward before lights out. What to choose? Steady fuel, minimal spike, Greek yogurt plus 1 TSP flax, or chia protein plus fiber. Optional pinch of cinnamon, cottage cheese plus. Chopped walnuts, slow protein plus healthy fat. Boiled egg plus a few. Avocado slices, nearly zero impact on glucose. Small wedge of cheese plus cucumber or cherry tomatoes. Warm option, a few spoonfuls of unsweetened oatmeal folded with chopped walnuts. Keep it small if you're near 150 milligrams. DL, what to skip? Fruit juice. Sweet cereals, cookies, white bread, large bowls of starchy leftovers. Those create a quick rise, a crash, restless sleep, and a higher morning number. Timing sweet spot. 30 to 60 minutes before bed, enough time to begin digestion without disturbing sleep. 3. Stay hydrated but not too much dehydration concentrates. Glucose stresses the kidneys and nudges fasting numbers upward. Overhydration late makes you a nighttime commuter to the bathroom. Fragments sleep and worsens insulin resistance by morning. Balance wins. Front-load fluids. Drink steadily from morning through late afternoon, evening target. Approximately 8 to 12 ounces, about an hour before bed if you've hydrated well during the day. If you wake thirsty at night, may reflect evening hyperglycemia and electrolyte loss. Consider a pinch of sea salt plus squeeze of lemon in water at dinner, not right at bedtime. Choose herbal teas, chamomile, peppermint. Ginger in the evening cut caffeine by approximately 2 p.m. Even decaf can nudge cortisol in some people. Alcohol may knock you out but disrupts sleep stages and destabilizes glucose. If you drink, keep it modest, earlier, and with food. The aim isn't more water. It's smarter timing and better mineral balance so you sleep through and wake lower. 4. Move your body after dinner. Light and consistent your muscles can absorb glucose without extra insulin when they're used. Sitting after dinner leaves more sugar circulating longer. A short move flips that switch. 10 to 15 minutes of easy walking lowers post-meal glucose meaningfully and often reduces morning highs. If walking isn't ideal, gentle yoga flows. Stretching, seated leg lifts, light resistance bands, or slow stationary. Cycling, keep it light, within 2 hours of bedtime. High-intensity efforts spike stress hormones. Save those for earlier in the day. Build a queue. Dishwasher on gives, shoes on gives, 10-minute walk. Habits stick when tethered to existing routines. This one changes compounds. Better post-meal curve tonight. Better fasting trend in the morning. Better A1C over time. 5. Create a sleep routine that lowers glucose. Sleep is metabolic medicine. Fragmented sleep raises cortisol, blunts insulin sensitivity, and drives cravings the next day. Your routine should make deep sleep easier and nighttime glucose more stable. Consistent schedule. Same sleep and wake windows daily, even weekends. Your circadian rhythm loves predictable signals. Light hygiene, dim lamps 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Avoid screens or use blue light filters. Swap scrolling for a paper book, stretching, box breathing for 4-4-4. Or a short body scan. Cool room. Most sleep best around Y-67 degrees Fahrenheit with breathable bedding. Less sweating equals less dehydration equals steadier glucose. Wind down, stack 1520 minutes. Quick tidy plus 2-day brain dump reduces rumination, light stretch, or 5 minutes of relaxed walking, brief breathing practice. Lights low, screens away, bed. Finally, pair the routine with the data. Bedtime check, aiming for 90 to 150 milligrams. DL, adjust microwalk, or smart snack. Sleep. Over weeks, you'll notice fewer night wakes, calmer overnights, and a friendlier meter at dawn. A simple night framework you can start tonight, after dinner. 10 to 15 minutes of gentle movement. 1 hour before bed, 8 to 12 ounces fluid herbal tea or water, no caffeine, no alcohol. 30 to 60 minutes before bed, only if needed, small protein, fiber, snack. Bedside, quick meter, CGM glance. If greater than 180, 10 minutes of slow indoor pacing. If 90, add a few more bites of your snack. Lights down, room cool. No screens, short breathing routine. Sleep motivation for the long game. Diabetes demands consistency, not perfection. These habits are small, kind, and doable. They move the needle. Fewer nighttime lows, fewer 3 a.m. bathroom trips, less tossing, and, most importantly, lower, steadier fasting glucose. Imagine stringing together 7 calmer nights. Then 7 weeks. That's how A1C shifts and energy returns.